Hi, Nick here again, and welcome to another product review video for B&Q. Today we are taking a look at this Allister Mitre stand. I can see that the box actually weighs 16 kilograms. The product itself takes a maximum weight of 150 kilograms. I can see here that we've got a maximum opening width of 116 centimeters up to 198 centimeters to accommodate different size machines. And we have a height of 89 centimeters all the way up to 1 meter off the floor. My opinion so far is good actually. It's a really solid product. Really thick metal bars, as you can see, that feel like good quality, and they're finished with a nice paint material as well. Okay, now we're on to step 2, which is to install these work support rails into these sections here on the end, and we secure those with these height adjustment knobs that were provided in the bag. So we slide that into there and just tighten this until it's hand tight. Just like that. Now, the purpose of these is to support the material that you're actually chopping on your miter saw. And to extend these out to accommodate larger pieces of material, you simply just slide the bars out at 2. And then using some more of these knobs that came in the packet of screws, you can then actually just tighten these into this space to secure this in place. So that's the stand all assembled. Really easy job to do, didn't take me too long, about 10 minutes all in all. Okay, so we're on to the final steps now of this process, which is to use these mount bars and attach these underneath our miter saw using some of the bolts that were provided with the kit, going through and up into the miter saw to secure it in place. Now just remember, when using your miter saw, make sure it is unplugged first of all, and that you have locked in place the saw arm into the downwards position so that items aren't moving around when you're doing this next step. Okay, so we're now ready to put the miter saw onto the stand, so I'm going to pick that up now, and what I do is I start with the leading edge over the front bars and then let it just naturally sit down at the back. I've then got these two lock handles at the front of the unit, which one by one I can just turn those down, which tightens it onto the bar, and as you can see, really nice and stable now. So there we go, that concludes this product review video of the Allister Mitre stand, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the product. It's a really simple piece of equipment, but actually makes a huge difference, so I would highly recommend this product. It's very, very sturdy, looks good, it's got a nice paint finish on it whatsoever, and obviously it accommodates all different types of miter saw as well, which is a real bonus.